Hello my beauties, welcome back to my channel. We are gonna have a feast for you and me. I got two different types of meals from Wendy's. One for me and one for you guys. Cause you know, that's how we do. We look out for each other, you feel me? But before we get into it, I want you guys to go ahead and do me a big favor, okay? It's huge. Hit that subscribe button down below and party with your boy every time. So what we're gonna do is smash, mash, thank you, bash this whole shebang. So what I got here is that I have two different wraps, chicken wraps of course, one grilled and one crispy, you know. Two different, you know what I'm saying? And then of course this is the 4 for 4 meal. So, you know, I had to splurge on us. You feel me? I had to splurge. So yeah, let's get into this, okay? Because I'm definitely starving. Oh, and I got some different sauces. Oh, look at the new packaging they have for their sweet and sour sauce. Look how delicious also that looks. Looks good. And then, of course, I get my sriracha dip, my honey mustard dip, and some barbecue sauce. But I'm not a big barbecue sauce kind of fan. You know what I'm saying? Let me go ahead. Let me pop a straw on one of these babies. Like, yeah. Oh my gosh, that's a good Sprite. Hold up, let me see if you hear that. Can't hear that. Too good. Okay. We're gonna start with, let's break these aside. Let's bust down Tatiana. One of these. Ooh. Oh, okay, this one's the crispy chicken one, you guys, look at that. Yes, honey, can never go wrong with crispy chicken for $4. I didn't even know that. I went to Wendy's online, and this is how I found out they had these 4 for 4s. They have a whole list. So if you guys near you, go ahead and hit OK, go to the website and whatever, and they will show you what they have in their 4 for 4 option. I'm not sure if this is for every Wendy's, but around here, honey, they have options. I just thought it was the two options they had before, the chicken and the junior bacon, but I guess they're getting down and dirty. And I don't think I'm gonna do that. I think I'm gonna dip my nuggets in this. Okay. Look at that. Look at that, babies. And I am gonna dip it in there. I told a lie. That sauce is him, honey. Oh my goodness. This got me together. Oh my goodness. That is so good. I really do enjoy that. I'm over being stingy here. Take a bite. Now let me get a bite. That's really good. I've been doing a lot of Wendy's, but it's okay. What I really want to do, I want to cook something for you guys, but I can't think of none because I haven't cooked in a minute, but I love to cook. I love to cook. But ever since I stopped eating meat in my home, I don't cook. And then since I've been mukbanging a whole bunch with the, let me get my mirror up in here, with the fast foods and stuff like that, it's like, mental. I've been mentally kind of going through it and stuff like that because I love to eat and stuff like that, but I haven't been going to the gym like I'm supposed to. I'm getting some sauce, honey. Look at that. I've been working all day. I'm at that starving point. Woo. Damn, that's so good. Excuse me. Okay. Hold on. Oh, that one's done. Okay. Let's get the grilled up in this tummy. Ooh, and it smells so good. Oh my god. Okay, you guys, we don't like that. I hope you like it. That was the grill. I can't do the grill. It tastes like bologna. And I don't eat bologna. I don't like it. Oh. Why does it taste like that? Quite upset. Let me give me a shout out to everybody who are supporting, who is supporting. And all your kind words and the ones that keep up with me. I really do appreciate it. I really, really, really do. So freaking good. I guess that was a quicker challenge than I thought it was gonna be. But we got to eat together, you guys. We got the mukbang. We got the bang, bang, bang. Let me see you do that thing. So good. Of course, you guys know what nuggets taste like. Just normal nuggets and French fries. But yes, you guys, I really want to say that I really do appreciate everybody. I mean, a humble cat. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna get some more content out there. Promise. So delicious. But you guys, I just want to have a quick little lunch, snack, dinner, whatever you want to call it, with you guys. I really appreciate you guys so much. I thank you. If you haven't already, go hit the subscribe button. If you have some comments, some ideas, things you want to share that you'd like to see me try or do or explore with, I'd be more than happy. All right, you guys, much love. I'll see you on my next one.